Hello and welcome to Oh No No Nomad. I am Curse. Today I will take you on a journey from Bergen and into the famous waterfall Steinsdalsfossen, which is one of the most visited tourist spots in Norway. Then on towards our final destination, the Pizzaria in Øystese. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. As always, our trip started off on a sunny day in Bergen. This special day, there were no goal. Just drive the motorbike and enjoy. After 1 hour on the bike, we got tipped off a 5-kilometer long gravel road that led us into the mountains. We finally made it to Steinsdalsfossen, which is just outside Norheimsund. The reason why this waterfall is so popular is because you can walk behind it and not getting wet. The drop is about 50 meters and are spectacular. When we left the waterfall, we went from 2 to 3 people and are now heading into a small place called Øystese, where we are getting some long dreamt of pizza.
Nei, men det. Og du liker også sykkel? Ja. Nei, det er jo som jeg sier. Men nå, så du, ja, du har selvfølgelig den store veggen. Klart at den, ja.
Thanks for watching my videos. If you like them, please click the like button and subscribe, and I see you again soon. Bye bye.
Men nå får vi se da. Nå stopper jo sikkert den å filme